In this video, I will demonstrate how to use NCapture to import data from YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter to NVivo 12 Mac. Importing web-based data to NVivo using NCapture is a two-step process. In the first step, we capture data from websites, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, etc. And in the second step, then we import that data from our download folder to NVivo project. Please note that we have captured website data and imported it to NVivo project in a different video, so check that one as well. According to the official QSR International NVivo 12 Mac website, NCapture would capture most of the PDF, but not all, but some pages from Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube as dataset, videos, and pictures. So let us begin with capturing and importing YouTube data using NCapture to NVivo Mac project. We will go to this icon, which is next to extensions, and we have the name of the video already written for us. We can give it a description and capture video 1 and capture video 1. We can also give it a memo and capture video 1, and we can see that for video and comments it's exactly the same box, and for web page as PDF also it's exactly the same. So let's try all of them. So I will start with capturing web page as PDF, and I will go back to the same icon, do the same. This time I would like to capture video only, so let's call it video 2 and video 2, and again to memo video 2 and capture. And let's do for the third time. We have got our notification that one of the job is done, but let's go to the third one, which is video and comments. And now we can give it a video 3 and video 3, and let's take it as capture. Now if we want to see the progress of the capture, we will go back to NCapture, and instead of filling the form, we'll go to show progress. Now we can see that 2 of these jobs are done for us. The third one is retrieving comments, and it's in progress. So now if we want to go and import it to our NVivo project, we will go to the NVivo project. So I have a Margaret NVivo file open in front of me. I would like to go to import that. So I would go to data, and from data tab, I will go to NCapture. And now I can select captures not previously imported. So there are some from yesterday and from the past, but there are some from today. So let's import them. Yes, so we can see that these two files appeared as PDF underneath files section. And let's look into it. We can see that there are, so this is for today and this is today, and we can see there is a memo attached to it. This is for now. Yeah, this is the YouTube video which is downloaded. We cannot see a lot in here. We can see the comments with the pictures, and we can also select those comments and right click and code them. So let's say right click, code selection, and add new node. And yes, we can code it. Similarly, if we want to code NVivo or do annotation, we can do all of these on it. Now let's go to the notes section. And now we can see we have here NCapture video 1. And these are the captures from the video. And if we go to file classification, and this was from the video, and we can see access date, description, keywords, last updated. Now let's try to import Twitter data using NCapture to NVivo Mac. Once you open your Twitter account to capture data, you would need to click on Authorize App to give permission to NCapture to collect data from your Twitter account. To import data from Twitter, we would go to Twitter. This is my Twitter account, and we would go to, again, to this icon, and we have tweets as dataset, including retweets, tweet as dataset, excluding retweets, and web page as PDF. So let's do it. Again, all of them. So for example, NCapture Twitter 1 and codes at NVivo and capture Twitter 1, and then again here and capture Twitter 1, and we can capture it. Then let's try again and say excluding dataset Twitter 2, and capture, and then let's do it again to see what happens as web page as PDF, and Twitter 3 and Twitter 3. In my experience, web page as PDF work better than these two. So let's say capture. We can see that the PDF one is complete, whereas the other two with tweets is in progress. Now let's try to import the Twitter data. So if we go back to data tab and go to NCapture, and we can see University of Manchester Twitter data is available. Yes, let's try it. So we can see here we have NCapture, and that is the Twitter 3, which means the PDF version of the last box. So let's say click Done. So we can see that under the file, we have now Twitter data, and that is the University of Manchester Twitter data. Let's make it a bit smaller. Yes, it's a kind of a full picture of the Twitter. Yeah, let's see what kind of node the NCapture has made. So again, we can keep it into selection mode, or we can make it into a text mode. So if we make it into a text mode, yes, we can right click and then can code it at existing nodes or at new node or at new case. So that could be done. We can also code NVivo, and we can make new annotations, and we have let's say links as well, which means we can memo link and we can hyperlink this text. Let's go to the nodes. So if we look at nodes, let's see if we have any nodes for Twitter. Yes, we have these nodes. This is the summary of the nodes. Sorry, this is the reference of the nodes. The summary is simple, stating 5 references. These are the 5 references. And this is all the text from Twitter. Now, if we go to file classification and check the reference for Twitter, so we can see here, I think we have University of Manchester Twitter, and this is selection mode by as an image or as an area. Select region, like to capture an image, and then select text, and then we can have annotations on it. We can code as well if we select a piece of text, and this is the description. So this is the time and date when we had access to, and we can always write onto it. So for example, description, Twitter data, and we can update it. And similarly, we can assign keywords, last updated reference title. The title is already here, and the URL. We had some issues in importing Facebook data using NCapture, which we would discuss with you now. However, we had some success on NVivo Windows to collect or import data from Facebook, which you might consider. You may like to see our Windows video on the same title. Select NCapture. So this is how it looks like. When you click on NCapture, you receive this file. You fill it, but you are unable to capture because the button is inactive. Soon after, you see this screen which says this app is not currently accessible, and the app developer is aware of this issue. You will be able to log in when the app is reactivated. You would see many people talking about it. So here is one view, which although is an unauthorized, unofficial view, but it says NCapture on Google Chrome works fine on Twitter, but as of late November 2021, the tool does not seem to work on Facebook. this is the end of video on using NCapture to import data from YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.